Hello everyone, welcome to Aptech Knowledge. This is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create login and registration system using Laravel Breeze. So yeah, creating authentication system using Laravel JSTM might be hard for some people because there is a lot of complex things over there. So if you are a beginner or learning Laravel new, then I would recommend you creating registration system using Laravel Breeze. Okay, so let's get started. Let's create a project, Laravel project. So we'll create a Laravel project over here. So let's open a command prompt by writing over here cmd and press enter. Over here, now creating Laravel project, the command we need to write is Laravel new and then the project name. Let's say our project name will be Laravel Breeze, and then press enter and it will create a project name Laravel Breeze. Okay, so after creating the project, you can just close this command prompt and go inside the project directory, and now we will write cmd over here. Okay, and we will run our project by writing this command php artisan serve. So let's copy this and paste it inside browser. Here you can see this is the Laravel project that we just created. Now we are going to add Breeze in this Laravel project. Okay, so for adding Breeze, so we need to write all those commands from here. So we already create the Laravel project. Now we need to write this second command, composer require Laravel Breeze. Okay, div. So let's press Ctrl C and let's paste the command and press enter. Okay, after this we need to just write this command php artisan breeze install. Okay, let's copy it from here and paste it over here and press enter. Okay, after this we just need to write two more commands, which is npm install and npm run dev. I'm just going to copy them from over here. Let's copy it from here, Ctrl C and paste it over here. After npm install, we need to install npm run dev. So now let's install npm run dev. Let's copy it from here again and paste it over here and press enter. Okay, it's also installed. Now let's run our project by writing php artisan serve and let's see how it looks. Now let's refresh over here, and now you can see a login and registration option over here. If you click registration, register, it will take us to this page where you can see name, email, password and confirm password. But we actually cannot register because we did not set up our database. So we need to set up our database. So we will open our project using Sublime Text now and set up the database. Okay, so our project was open folder, then local disk G, then here you can see YouTube, and inside YouTube our project is Laravel Breeze. So let's open it, and we are going to the .env folder file, and here you can see that db database equal Laravel Breeze. Okay, so by default it takes the project name. Okay, so we are going to just change it to Laravel Breeze 8. Okay, just for this tutorial, let's say 8 and let's save it, Ctrl S. Okay, now let's create this database. Just go to phpMyAdmin, then click new, and let's copy the database name, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's click create. Okay, it's created database called Laravel Breeze 8. Okay, now we just need to write on command php artisan migrate. It will migrate all the database that you can see. If you go inside database, then migration, you can see the tables over here. It will migrate all those tables. Okay, so let's again press Ctrl C and let's say PHP artisan migrate and press enter. It will migrate all those tables. Okay, now let's just say over here PHP artisan serve again to run our project. Okay, so if you just refresh over here and just click Laravel Breeze 8, you can see that there is some table over here that we just migrated right now. Okay, so let's refresh over here and let's register Yamin, then email, then give password 12345678, 12345678, then click registration, and here you can see we are about to successfully log in over here. Now if you want to log out, let's try to log in. Just click login and then Yamin Shakil 7 on 12345678. Let's hit login. Okay, we can also successfully log in over here. So this is how you can create a simple login or registration system in using Laravel Breeze. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please like the video and comment if you have any problem, and thank you very much again for watching the video.